In today's video, let's discuss problems on POS by using K-map. Okay. The problem statement is reduce the expression f is equal to pi of m 0 1 2 3 4 7 using mapping and implement it by using basic gates as well as universal gate. This is the problem statement, and we have to draw K-map. By using K-map, find out a minimal expression and then logic diagram. So if you observe carefully, in this expression we have to find out it is a SOP or POS. So pi m, it is a representation of the max terms which is concerned with the POS. Hence in the POS all max terms are represented with the zeros in given cells. This is the first requirement. We have to take care of that. All the cells which are present with the decimal value here, they have to represent with the 0 value. So how many variable K-map is required? If you observe carefully, the largest digit is 7. So for representation of 7, we need 4 to 1 combination, in which 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, that is 1 1 1. Hence we need 3 variable K-map for implementation of this function. So consider a 3 variable K-map. A and B, C are the inputs. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 and 1 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. These are the decimal numbers. So consider first min terms which are present as 0. At 0, represent with 0 value. At 1, again we use 0. At 2, mention with 0. 3, mention with 0. At 4 and at 7. And the remaining cell represent with the 1s. Okay. Once we are able to map the respective values at the max terms, then it's time to make a grouping. So here grouping of chord is possible for this entire row. After that, there are 2 values are left, which is at 4 and 7. So for this cell we can make a pair with this one, and for this cell we make pair with this one. So for this, find out the minterms. If you observe carefully, this is a chord in which each and every column will be different. So no common term is possible from this all the columns. Only common term is A, because it is 0. Is the first common term. For this, there is no common between these 2 rows because both values are zeros. From this, both are 1 1, and hence in POS, logic ones are represented with the A complement and 0 is represented with the A. So for this, it will be B plus C and B bar plus C bar, and for this we are getting B plus C. So the final equation, reduced equation, is A into B plus C and another bracket B bar plus C bar. Okay, this is the equation F. we want to implement this equation with the help of basic logic gates. So just no need to take a double inversion because it is process only for applicable for the universal gates. So first we need three inputs A, B and C. Take three inputs A, B as well as C. Then what is the first term, which is A? Okay, what is the second term? BC. What is the relation between this term? ORing with each other, so use OR gate. Then next B bar plus C bar. So take first B bar with the help of NOT gate. Take C bar with the help of NOT gate. Both variables are ORing with each other, so use OR gate. And then what is the relation between each and every variable? They are ANDing with each other, so use one more AND gate. It will give you function F. This is the simplest form of representation by using basic gates. Then try to find out by using universal gates. By using universal gates, first write down equation as it is: A, B plus C, B bar plus C bar. Okay. To implement by the universal gates, take double complement of above equation then equation becomes A, B plus C, B bar plus C bar plus double bar. Okay, only consider the part of A, B plus C, B bar plus C bar means double bar. Don't consider this second complement term. So only consider the first complement with its expression. So apply De Morgan's theorem to above equation. The De Morgan's theorem to above equation will be A B bar B into C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So this above equation becomes A bar plus B plus C bar plus B bar plus C bar its bar, and then the final equation is A bar plus B plus C bar plus B bar plus C bar and its whole bar. Okay, just try to draw the diagram for this. First we need A bar, so take A bar. Okay, then second term B plus C, so take two variables B and C, and we need bar, that is we use NOR gate here. Okay, for the third term we need B bar, C bar. They are again ORing as well as complement, so we take once again NOR gate, and hence they are again complemented to each other with addition with each other. So we are take once again OR gate, and these are final equations. Okay, in this way we can implement a POS with help of K-map, which will give, if you observe carefully, we need a representation of this expression. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different terms But if you observe carefully the final minimal equations, we need only 3 terms. So the 6 terms expression is reduced to only 3 terms, and which will be implemented with the help of basic gates as well as universal gates. This A bar, B bar as well as C bar can be implemented with the norm with the help of like this. A will be, this will gives us A bar. In the similar way for the B bar, both inputs are make a common with each other, it will gives us B bar, and for it will gives us C bar. So before this logic will be present, because we cannot produce B bar directly, so before that this logic circuit will be available. I hope so you understand the point of examples of POS using K-map technique. Okay, I hope so. And that's why the K-map is very simplified method in which the minimal expression can be find out as compared to Boolean expressions or Boolean laws. Thank you very much.